my Lola babies, welcome back to my channel. So of course I'm coming to you guys to do a review on the new and pop-in concealer from Fenty. And of course I also bought the banana powder for the setting powder and the gloss bomb fussy. So I'll be trying out these products for you guys. So if you guys would like to see this review, please stay all the way to the end and like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into it. So of course you have to go to Sephora, or you can order online and get the Fenty line. So I actually bought the concealer. This is how the concealer looks. I bought the shade 330 because I like more of a highlight, so I got 330. And I also bought the gloss bomb, which is in fussy, so I'm super excited to try that. So the concealer was actually $26 and the gloss bomb was $18. I also ended up buying the setting powder, which is the Pro Filter setting powder and banana, and it comes in a cute little tube like this. It's definitely a loose powder, so that's pretty cool. And this was, let's see, $32. So I'm going to be trying these products out for you. I already have my my eyebrows done and my foundation on. I'm just going to apply the concealer and finish my full face, okay? So let's get into it. Alright, so as I'm looking at the concealer, it's definitely a good applicator. This applicator is so curvy and flexible, you guys. Look. And it's a good quality wand. I actually like that. And it's good for under the eye because it can curve and you can get like the creases and everything. So I'm actually going to apply the concealer. Yes. Oh, this is so creamy and smooth, you guys. I don't want to stop. It's so creamy and smooth. It's easy to work with. I mean, really, it's just gliding, y'all. I'm not even really like pressing hard on my face. So of course I'm going to do my nose per usual, my forehead highlight, and my chin. This is super creamy. I love this. So if you guys don't know, Rihanna came out with 50 concealers, which is bomb, of all different shades for all different complexions. She also added 10 new foundation colors, which is amazing. So you can never say that you can't find your color. You don't have to mix colors. They will have your color. So that's awesome, and I really appreciate that from her. Yeah, so please go pick that up as well. So I'm actually going to, as always, wet my sponge. And we're going to blend this out. And you can actually, it's supposed to be like full coverage, and it's supposed to get rid of like wrinkles and lines and dark spots and all of that. So, you know, pigmentation. So I'm super excited because I do have like dark, you know, circles under my eye, as far as, you know, my complexion, and around my mouth as well. Lord, this is amazing. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god, this is so nice. It's blending out really, really well as well. Like, are you serious? This is dope. I'm actually going to put some around my mouth just to see how it like works all over. Oh, this is so dope. Like, I'm not getting any creasing under my eye. This is bomb. Like, oh, this is bomb. I think I'm gonna add another layer. I don't know. I'm so extra, y'all, but I want the fullest coverage ever. Okay, so we're going to blend this out some more. She did come out with a new brush, but I never buy her brushes. I'm sorry, I stick to what I have. I'm okay with it. Like I'm fine. I never buy her brushes, so you can though if you want to, but I'm just not. And they're expensive, so you know, you already gotta pay for the product. So if you have your own brushes that work, sponges that work, that's perfect. Y'all, when I tell y'all, this foundation, this concealer is like going on so beautifully. Like, this is awesome. So now I'm going to contour my face per usual. Of course, I'm using the NYX contour palette, duo palette. I'm actually going to take one of these brushes. Powder. So this is the setting powder. It does come with plastic over top of it, which is great. All you have to do is shake it, and it is like dusty, so be careful. And I'm just going to shake some up. I'm going to take my sponge and we're going to set. I'm only going to use a little bit of powder to set. Okay. And I'm gonna bake for like a minute or two, just so I can see the full potential of the powder. Yeah, this powder is definitely really smooth. It reminds me of the Makeup Revolution that I use. I like that powder too. So of course we're gonna do that. And I'm gonna set around my mouth as well for creasing. We want to hit that forehead because you know it's shiny up there. Around the nose. Hit above this eye. Alright, you guys. So I'm going to bake for like a minute and I'll be back. Okay, you guys. So as I actually was setting, I'm baking, I actually noticed like a scent. I don't know if it's from the concealer or it's from the setting powder, but it's definitely like a fragrance in it. It's not really strong, but you can definitely smell it. It smells like roses, kind of. I'm sorry, but it smells like a rose, or like you know how you have like rose water or the rose oil, like something like this, but the rose one, it smells like that kind of, sort of. So I don't know if that's the concealer or the setting powder, but I'm about to smell now. I think it's the setting powder, you guys. I think it's the setting powder. No, it's the concealer. It definitely have like a fruity rose smell to it. Yeah, definitely. So yeah, I'm trying to look at the claims to see if, you know, they have anything on it. But of course, all Rihanna products are, you know, 100% cruelty free, which is amazing. this is supposed to be super fine. These are the claims. Weightless. So what I say is super fine, definitely. It's so smooth. Weightless, definitely. It goes and glides and it's perfect. Yeah, so those claims are definitely true. This is the banana one, of course. I told you guys that. So yeah, I'm about to wipe this powder up off my face from baking. And I just use a fluffy brush to wipe off. And this definitely leaves a really good highlight, which I love with my setting powder. So that's amazing. I love that. That's really dope. So I love how my eyes are looking right now. I love the setting powder. So now I'm actually going to finish my face, and I'm gonna finish my face, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys in a second. So after I completed my face, I feel like I can smooth this out a little bit. Okay, so my face is completed. I'm actually going to line my lip with a brown liner. And then I'm going to wipe the center of my lips. And I'm going to add the Fenty Gloss Bomb. I actually have the regular Gloss Bomb, so I'm super excited to try this one because I love that one. So let's see. Ooh. Of course, I mean, oh, it smells so good. It smells like tropical fruit. So it's like a pink like gloss. So thick. I love a thick gloss. It's so glossy. Okay, so you guys, this is the finished look. Okay, so you see them creases is gone under that eye. The setting powder definitely highlighted my face. This gloss bomb is popping. So I'm actually going to wear this for a couple hours. It is 5:14. Okay, so it's 5:14 p.m. so I actually have to go to Walmart. I'm going to cook dinner and I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you guys my face and how it looks after I finish doing everything that I have to do. And that'll probably be about maybe like around, I'll say about 9-ish, 10-ish, and we'll see if I have to blot or become really oily. Yeah, so stay tuned for that and I'll get back to you guys. My little babies, I am back. I told you guys I was going to come back. It is now 9:04 and I've been wearing the makeup since I guess 5, I think it was. So so about 3-4 hours, and I have went to Walmart. I stopped at the market, and then I also cooked dinner. So I had multiple, you know, I've been doing a lot of things, so I felt like, you know, my makeup would eventually, you know, start to sweat, and you know, because I've been moving around. And I have not blotted, I have not like took any oils off. So as I looked at my face, the concealer, it definitely is bomb. Like, I have no oil. Of course my T-zone, my forehead and my nose is always oily, so I can see that the oil is coming through my nose, which is normal. Around my mouth is kind of oily, but that's nothing that can't be fixed. But as far as concealer, I'm telling you guys, this concealer is bomb. The setting powder, everything, the whole look is just like really refreshing. And knowing that I don't keep my makeup on that long anyway all day, so the fact that it lasted like 3-4 hours, like a normal range of a day that I would wear it between like 6 hours, and it still look like this, is amazing to me. And also, as far as this lip gloss, of course I love it. I'm a gloss girl, so I'm telling you, I reapplied this one other time, probably about like 2 hours in. I applied it again and it's still glossy, so I really love that. If anything, you should definitely buy the concealer and the lip gloss. The setting powder was good, but it didn't wow me, like, you know what I'm saying. I felt like it was a normal, you know, setting powder. But as far as the concealer, that was bomb. And of course this gloss bomb Fussy is bomb. I love gloss, and I love Rihanna's gloss bomb. So yeah, those two products I would definitely say, you know, pick up and buy, because it's definitely worth it. Thanks you guys again for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys sticking with me. As always, be positive, love yourself, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.